Xiaomi Redmi Note 5. Operating system will be Android 7.0, Nougat. And it will be available in 3 colors: silver, black and gold. Secondly, let's talk about the display of Xiaomi Redmi Note 5. 5.5 inches Full HD IPS display. Pixel density 401 pixels per inch. And some sensors are accelerometer, proximity sensor, ambient light sensor, gyroscope, fingerprint identity sensor. Thirdly, let's talk about the processor and the RAM of Xiaomi Redmi Note 5. Processor is going to be 1.8 GHz octa-core 64-bit Qualcomm Snapdragon 652, whereas the RAM will be 4 GB. And fourthly, let's talk about the camera of Xiaomi Redmi Note 5. Rear camera will be cameras of 16 megapixel, and front camera will be of 8 megapixel, with some camera features like geotagging. Fifth, we will talk about storage of Xiaomi Redmi Note 5. The internally available storage will be 64 GB, and is expandable up to 128 GB with micro SD card. 6. At last we shall get you noticed about the battery. The battery is 4000 mAh non-removable with quick charging. And finally we shall talk about the overall score and alternatives for Xiaomi Redmi Note 5. Overall score from Smartphonepedia will be 8.2 out of 10. And the best alternative for Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 is Vivo V5. Well, I hope you found the information valuable.